How to turn on profile history on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on profile history on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is, of course, open up your Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, then you will land right here. You need to go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, then this is where you will get. Now you can see on TikTok, we get this eye icon at the top corner of our screen with our name. So you need to click on it. Now it will open up your profile views for you. So all you have to do is click on this icon right here, which is the settings. And you can see we're getting profile view history button here. And I can turn it on or off anytime I like. So you can see I have actually turned it on. So we can disable it and then turn it on again. So this is how you can turn on your profile views here. If you're not getting this eye icon right here, this option, then you need to update your TikTok, or maybe it's not available yet. So once you get it, then it will be super easy for you to check who viewed your profile in last 30 days. And this is how you can go ahead and turn it on right now. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to turn on profile view history on TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.